Hi. Earrings are a very popular jewelry that everyone wears. Why do we wear earrings? To look nice, right? I've been wearing earrings since I was 7 or 8, and I remember that time when my grandma got my ear pierced. She used a needle at that time and used a thread as a retainer. I don't remember if piercing gun was available in the late 1980s. Maybe yes, although traditional piercing is still being widely used. Also, men at that time don't wear earrings, but nowadays, you see large bling studs are becoming popular to most men. Even toddlers as young as 3 years old wear ear stud earrings. There are many different types of earring backs to consider when selecting your designer earrings. Along with comfort in keeping the earrings safe and secure, earring backings are also about personal style and taste. In this video, I will be showing the different types of earrings and fastenings. This is a hoop earring. Hoop earrings are available in a wide variety of shapes and size and have long been a classic jewelry accessory that never seemed to go out of fashion, right? So this is a smaller version of the hinged hoop earring. And another one here is a Creole hoop earring. So they come in different types. So this is seamless. All you have to do is to push the thin wire out and then push back. But with the smaller version, it's harder to open, especially if it's made up of stainless steel and plated or filled with gold. So opening can be a bit difficult. Okay, you hear that clicking sound, and then push back to close. Right? But with the Creole hoop earring, it has this latch back, so all you have to do is to open it with the tip of your nail and then push back with your pointing finger. Okay, so you also hear that clicking sound once it closes. Right. This is another type of hoop earrings. So they are round and oval. Typically, they are a round or oval loop shaped and resemble a ring that goes through the earlobe and hooks in the back. This ear stud is a push-back earring. This type of earring backing is also known as post back or butterfly backs. One of the more popular types of earring backs. Post backs are very common backings for stud earrings, such as this, and stud diamond earrings. This is a bling bling style, 13mm wide with a butterfly back. A post is a thin metal wire that passes through the earlobe to hold the earring in place. The push-back earrings are a great backing type for studs or stud earrings, as well as lighter drop earrings or drops. This is another ear stud crystal, 4mm wide, with a butterfly backing. Next is a French clip earring or omega. French clip is also known as omega or omega backing because it is often shaped exactly like the letter omega in the Greek alphabet. This type This earring back can be used for both pierced and non-pierced earrings. But this earring we have can only be used on a pierced earring. So to open, you have to push the post up and then close. So this doesn't close properly. So all you have to do is to push the post slightly lower and then push back. Okay, so that's how you close and open the Omega clip earring. Next one here. This is a latch back type earring. You can see the wire here. Latch back have a hinged backing, usually on hoops that the post goes through. A latch back earring has a fish hook or metal that slides through the air and catches in a loop on the back of the earring. The latch backs are often seen on hoop earrings and dangling earrings. Another type of earring is drop earring. Okay, so this drop earring consists of an attachment to the ear. So this is the attachment to the ear and some ornament that hangs from the attachment, enabling them to hang in a straight line. So this is the straight one here, and pearl that dangles. So it's a combination. Okay, so this uses a butterfly backing and lots of small and tiny crystals all over, and a fox pearl dangle. So this is another style. This is also a combination of hinge hoop. Okay, if you can see, it is a hinge hoop and with a teardrop style earring that dangles, so it swales. So dangle earrings are available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Dangle earrings are a type of drop earrings that is designed to dangle, okay, and sways from the bottoms of the earlobes. Alright, next one is a chandelier earring. So this is quite long. Okay, this is a chandelier earring with the lots of tiny gems and fox pearls. Another style of earring is a Huggie earring. So this is a small version of a Huggie earring. Okay. So Huggie earrings are a popular variation of the hoop style earrings. They are typically smaller than hoops. They have settings that hugs the ears to secure the earring in place. This is a leatherback earring. These are extensions of the fish hook. These contain a lever that completes the hook and avoids slippage of the hook from the hole.